ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ರಣದೀಪ್ ಗುಲೇರಿಯಾ ಅವರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಗೊಂದಲನ ನಿವಾರಿಸುವಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳೇನು, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಉತ್ತರಗಳೇನು ನೋಡೋಣ.
I'm Dr. Guleria, and we have the vaccine which is going to be available with us soon, and hopefully with that the pandemic will come to an end. At this point in time, I'd like to share some very important factual information with you. I know that many of you have some questions as far as the vaccine is concerned, and let's try and address some of them.
ಕೊರೋನಾ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಬಹುದಾ?
Yes, vaccine trials are under different stages of finalization. Many of the vaccines are in the phase 3 trial and they are almost complete. So once regulatory clearances are given by the regulatory authorities, the Government of India is all geared up to launch these vaccines for COVID-19. For more information and updates, do visit the Government of India website www.mohfw.gov.in.
ಕೊರೋನಾ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಬಾರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ?
This will depend on the availability of vaccine, and the Government of India has selected priority groups who will be vaccinated based on risk factors. The first group will include healthcare workers and frontline workers. The second group that will receive the COVID-19 vaccine will be persons over the age of 50 years and persons under 50 years with comorbid conditions.
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಲಸಿಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವೇ?
Well, vaccine for COVID-19 is voluntary. However, if you ask me, I think it is advisable to take the complete vaccine schedule as far as COVID-19 is concerned, because we want to protect ourselves and also protect our near and dear ones, our close contacts, our family members and our co-workers.
ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಸೇಫಾ?
The vaccine will be introduced in the country only after regulatory bodies clear it based on its safety and efficacy. I think safety is the most important factor, and all standard precautions as have been followed in the past for giving vaccine approval will be followed as far as this vaccine is concerned.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವ ಲಸಿಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ಲಸಿಕೆಗಳಷ್ಟೇ ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, the COVID-19 vaccine introduced in India will be as effective as any vaccine developed by other countries. So various phases of vaccine trials are undertaken to ensure its safety and efficacy.
ಈಗ ಲಸಿಕೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕೊರೋನಾಯಿಂದ ಬಚಾವಾಗಬೇಕು, ಲಸಿಕೆ ಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಏನು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂಥ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಗಳು ಯಾವುವು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಣದೀಪ್ ಗುಲೇರಿಯಾ ಅವರ ಉತ್ತರ.
ನಾನು ಲಸಿಕೆ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಅರ್ಹನಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯೋದು?
In the initial phase, COVID-19 vaccine will be provided to priority groups, and these include healthcare workers, frontline workers. Those above the age of 50 may also get vaccinated early depending upon the availability of vaccine. The eligible beneficiaries will be informed through the registered mobile number regarding the health facility where the vaccine will be provided and the scheduled time for the same. This will be done to avoid any inconvenience in registration and vaccination of beneficiaries.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಜೊತೆ ನೋಂದಣಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳದಿದ್ರೂ ಲಸಿಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ?
No, I don't think that would be right. Registration of beneficiary is mandatory for vaccination of COVID-19. Only after registration, the information on the session site to visit and time will be shared with the beneficiary.
ಲಸಿಕೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಂದಣಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳು ನೀಡಬೇಕು?
So any one of the documents that I'm going to be mentioning with photo may be produced at the time of registration, and these include driving license, health insurance smart card issued by the scheme of Ministry of Labour, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card, the Manrega job card, official identity cards issued by MPs, MLAs, MLCs, PAN card, passbooks issued by the bank or the post office, passport, pension documents, service identity cards issued to employees by the central, state government, public limited companies, or voter ID cards.
ನೋಂದಣಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಫೋಟೋ ಅಥವಾ ಐಡಿಯ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
The photo ID produced at the time of registration must be produced and verified at the time of vaccination.
ಲಸಿಕೆ ಸೆಷನ್ ವೇಳೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಐಡಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲಸಿಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ?
Photo ID is a must for both registration and verification of beneficiary at session site to ensure that the intended person is vaccinated. Following online registration, beneficiary will receive SMS on their registered mobile number on the due date, place and time of vaccination.
ಲಸಿಕೆ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಇರುವ ಕೊನೆಯ ದಿನಾಂಕದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತದೆ?
Yes, on getting due dose of COVID-19 vaccine, the beneficiary will receive SMS on their registered mobile number. After all doses of vaccines are administered, a QR code based certificate will also be sent to the registered mobile number of the beneficiary.
ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಬಳಿಕ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, I would request that you take some rest for at least half an hour after taking the COVID-19 vaccine. And if you have any symptoms, any discomfort, please inform the nearest authorities, the ANM, the ASHA workers, so that they can attend to you if there is any problem that you have. Remember to continue following key COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing of masks, maintaining hand sanitization and physical distancing, that is 6 feet or 2 gaj ki duri.
ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಪಡೆಯುವಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮುನ್ನೆಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕಾ?
The safety and efficacy data from clinical trials of vaccine candidates are examined thoroughly by the drug regulator of our country before granting license for the same. Hence, all the COVID-19 vaccines that receive license will have comparable safety and efficacy. However, it's important that we ensure that the entire schedule of vaccination is completed by one type of vaccine, as different COVID-19 vaccines are not interchangeable.
ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಲಸಿಕೆಯ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗಳಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸತತವಾಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.